Hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and welcome to my channel. I'm sorry that I'm doing the giveaway for the month of May just a little bit late. I normally put up the video at the end of the month prior, but I'm running a couple days late, trying to decide what I was going to give away. So, for the subscribers for May, now, this is only for the United States. I'm sorry. Can't ship overseas. It's just too expensive. However, what you just need to do is make sure you put a little comment below, in the box below, saying that you want to enter the subscriber giveaway for May. And what we are giving away is your choice of, I know this is not paint related, but it sort of is. I have four necklaces, but you get a choice of one. The gold, there's gold, there's rose gold, and there's silver. And then if a guy wins, I did a black leather chain. And inside, they are the origami style. They're 22-inch chains. And inside, I've got, of course, the little glittery, not glittery, but the little sequences. And inside of that, I've got a little, let's see if we can get this. Not my big old hand. Okay, we've got the Believe charm, and in there also is a paint palette. I don't know if you could see it right there, paint palette. And then I put all different colors of the little beads in there, so that it looks like it's a large paint palette. Anyway, we do have the gold right here. Right here. Like I said, it is a 22-inch chain. And we have the rose gold. And we have silver. Now, if you don't want a paint palette in there, you can select this one, which has the scrapbooking heart right here. I don't know if I can show you. Right there. It's got a scrapbooking heart in it. But it can go in any color. It doesn't have to be the silver. I can switch them out. So you just pick out which color you want, and whether you want the paint theme or the scrapbooking theme. They all have the little charm in it that says Believe. And then if you're a guy, you can opt for one of these if you want to give that to your girlfriend and maybe change the charms to maybe, I don't know, whatever you think she might like. I do have a little bit of a selection you can choose from. And then if you want this one, it's got 4 charms because it really doesn't have any of the little sequel beads in there, because I didn't think that the guy would like that. So we've got this 20-inch braided leather chain with the veil, and right here we've got a yin yang and a camera and Believe and one of the little paint palettes. So enter, make sure you share the video. I need to get more subscribers, everybody. Thanks for being a subscriber, and please don't forget to join. I'll see you soon. Good luck. Bye-bye.